Hi, I'm Ellen Best from the Bionutrient Food Association. We have a local chapter in the Bedford area, and we're interested in increasing the quality of the food supply. Basically, if the soil has good stuff in it, the plants do, and then we get healthier. So one way we can do that is how we approach soil and plant health. So today, for the BFA Minute, I'm talking about inoculating seeds. What's that? Don't seeds have everything they need? Pretty much, yeah, at least to germinate and produce their first seed leaves. But after that, we can help it. So by putting a little powder on the seeds, we can make some good strides to helping their immune and digestion right away. So help fending off pests and disease. Just like colostrum in breast milk. When the baby gets that first amount of good stuff from their mom's breast, it's going to help them in their whole life. So the beginning of life is really important. So this is new science. I mean, most of us weren't taught this in school. I don't even think the science books have it yet. So we were taught, or I was taught, that plant roots are somehow like magic straws that draw up nutrients from the soil and that's it. But that's not the way it happens. It's the beneficial microorganisms in the soil that make those nutrients available to the plant. And in return, they get sugar, energy, stuff like that. So how do we do that? So we take your seed packet. This is parsley, which I'll be planting soon. You open your packet, and then you get some inoculant, which comes in a little packet of powder. And you take a little pinch. It only takes a little. Take a little pinch from your packet. And you can get this Mill River Supply in Bedford Hills or online. BioCoat Gold is a great brand. So then you take your packet and your little pinch, and you just put the powder right in the packet, close it up, shake it a little bit. Done. Good to go. And if you don't use all the seeds this year, it's still fine unless it gets wet. So give it a shot. Inoculate your seeds. Do some good stuff for your plants for their whole future. That's the Bionutrient Food Association Minute. Thanks.